Hi, welcome back to Kokani Khan and German. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos.
Hoa Ukari. Come Arata or family functions or festivals. GSB households are quick to stock up on this yum snack. This is actually very simple to prepare and can be done in stages too, so that you do not feel tired making this. This is an excellent combination with tea or coffee and liked by all. For the zukari, we need white pohu or flattened rice of the thin variety, also known as nylon pohu. Here is about 250 grams of thin pohu, which I will keep under the hot sun for some time. Afterwards, we will need to roast this. Also needed is about 3/4 cup of chana dal, 3/4 cup or more of groundnuts, and about 10 Kerala papads. For the seasoning, we need 2 teaspoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of jeera, half teaspoon of haldi powder, about 10 green chilies, and some curry leaves, and of course salt to taste. You can adjust the amounts according to your taste. Use coconut oil for the best results. First, we need to wash and soak the chana dal for about 5 hours and then drain the water. Keep aside for an hour. Take the papads and make thin slices of them this way. Keep the dal, peanuts and papads ready to fry in one go, one item at a time. Heat oil in a kadai, and when the oil is hot, add the dal. Lower flame immediately to lessen the bubbling. Let fry until the bubbling has lessened a little, then increase to high flame. After some 2 to 3 minutes, you can see the fried dal rising to the top. When all the dal has risen, reduce flame, scoop it all up.
The dal should be crisp and not hard to bite.
After this, drop the groundnuts, keeping flame low as the oil is already hot. Gather when they are done. See the description below for the video on frying the peanuts. Next, drop a little of the sliced papad at a time. It will fluff up immediately. Wait for a few more seconds until it has become very crisp and then scoop it up. Do the same with the rest. You can also fry thinly sliced potato or save and add them too. Now to roast the pohu. In a wide pan or kadai, add a portion of the pohu and roast on medium flame. Keep stirring continuously so that it does not burn. When the pohu has wilted and become crisp, transfer to a dry plate. Do the same with the rest of the pohu. For the seasoning, heat coconut oil in a pan. Splatter the mustard, add the jeera, then the chilies, and the curry leaves. Finally, the haldi. Fry on low flame until the chilies have become crisp with no trace of moisture. Now add a little of the povu. Mix and then add salt to taste. Mix well. Now add the fried items. And finally the rest of the povu. Toss well so that all the ingredients are well mixed.
Store in an airtight container.
Now this tasty poha curry is ready to be had with your favorite drink or served to your guests or just had for time pass. Do try this out for this Diwali.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.